my name's Samantha and I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing the October Teacher Care Crate. So let's dive right in. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you're going to unbox the What's Inside info card, and this box is full of fun for the avid readers out there, plus teachers. You're gonna love what's in this box. But don't forget and tune in to the end because I'm gonna also be sharing your digital downloads that you get. So let's dive right into all the fun. The first one is your art print of the month. So another fun one to add to your collection. This one was designed by the Bookish Moment. Between the pages of a book is a lovely place to be. And this one also features a fun way to write a note to somebody. You can leave it as a special note to them as well. Love that. You're also going to get a new hat, and this hat says read books, not hats. And I love the fall color of the hat. So another fun hat to add to your collection. You're also going to get your 2 new laptop or water bottle stickers. The first one says read more books and it goes with the shelf life, love. And I love that they're all the books here. You're also going to get this beautiful art print, and it's like a fun book and she's opening it up to an adventure, and I love the fun colors. So 2 new ones to add to your collection. You're also going to get a new reading light. I love that you can charge it up with a USB and you can use it for your classroom on the go. Perfect for any reader out there, any teacher who wants to read. You're also, while you're reading, going to get your fun beauty mask of the month, and I love that you can simply add these to brighten up your under eyes as you're reading. You're also going to get this gorgeous vegan bookmark, and it says bookmarks are for quitters. And I love the colors, love how thin it is, I love the look, and I love that it'll fit in your book. So perfect one to keep. You're also going to get 3 new personalized pencils. The first one says just one more chapter. I like big books and I cannot lie, and I'd rather be reading. So fun new pencils to add to your teacher collection. You're also going to love that you're going to get this fun book holding tool, and you simply just use your thumb, choose your book, and you can read one-handed now because it simply holds the book for you. So perfect for reading at the beach or at the park or whatever you want. So another fun tool for reading. Perfect for read aloud, honestly. I'm really excited to use this one. Plus, you're also going to get this fun sticky notes, and this is perfect for highlighting pages in the book and not leaving a mark, and I love the fun colors. So another fun one, another fun box of fun, but the fun doesn't stop there because you also get some fun printables. And of course, the first 2 were designed in with the Bookish Moment, and it's the October 2023 calendar. Simply print that off. You're also going to get your weekly planner, but you're also going to get some fun book trackers. So I love this one. You could color it, but you could also probably write the books as you go and color them as you go. So that's another fun one to use. I love this pretty coloring page. I think my students are going to really love this. Again, another girl lost reading. Love this one. You're also going to get a reading response sheet. So this one's fun to put out in your reading groups. And you're also going to get a student reading tracker. So this one's also a fun one to use. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you again in November, but don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for coming. Bye.